Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well and happy new year 2024 and PSD tax effect for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription, get subscription here, and then you can get all access of my all file. Okay, first preview you can customize in Photoshop. Okay, here New Year golden glowing 3D text effect. These are PSD file, not JPG. Okay, you can customize. Open, and here 3D styles. Same thing. You can customize in Photoshop. Layer area and background. Okay, now editable text. You can change color. Now I know you know how to customize or edit these text effects in Photoshop. Take care. Allah Hafiz.